Welcome back, dear students. So, in today's video we will continue our graph lesson, and here is the first question. Form a table of values showing the coordinates of the points highlighted on each of the graphs given below. So here some graphs are given. We have to write down the x and y coordinates, and then later on we have to find relationship between them. So here only I would like to solve this. This is a x coordinate and this is a y coordinate, suppose. So children, here we will like to make a one table here. So children, you make on your notebook. I will solve it here. It will be easy. So the first highlighted point is here, which is 0, 0. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. X is 0 and y is also 0. The next point is here. If you see, its coordinate is 3, 1. So it is 3, 1. So x is 3 and y will be 1. The next point is here, which is 6, and here it is a 2. So you can have a 6, 2. And the next point is 9, 3. So we have made this table showing the values of x and y coordinates by seeing from the graph. Now we want to write down the relationship between x and y. So we can see here x is equal to these x values we have obtained by multiplying to these y with 3. So we can write down 3 into y or 3y. So this is the equation. X is equal to 3y. Like if you see here, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 3s are 9. So when we are multiplying these y's with 3, you will obtain this x. So here the equation or relationship between x and y is x is equal to thrice of y. Now if you move to this question, here we have x coordinate and y coordinate, and we have to make a table here. So you can see here first point is lying on the x-axis. So its y point will be 0. So 3, 0. And the next point is this 4, 1. And the next is we have 5, 2. The next is 6, 3. And the last point is 7, 4. So these are the highlighted points and their coordinates, and we want to write down the equation here. So if you see carefully here, we have added y plus 3. Like here 0 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So like 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. Means every time we will get x value by adding 3 plus y, or you can say y plus 3. Means here we are adding 3 in y so that we will get a x. So this is a relationship between x and y. Now friends, we will move to the another question. We need to draw a graph. First we need to complete this table given the relationship between x and y, and we will draw a graph here. So first of all, we have first equation y is equal to x minus phi. Means we will get this y value by subtracting this x minus phi. Means first is phi. So we'll put a phi here. So y is equal to x minus phi. Our first value of x is phi. So here phi minus phi will get a 0. Means here 0. Then 8 minus phi is 3. 9 will keep here, 9 minus 5 is 4, 11 minus 5 is 6. So in this way we obtain these values or coordinates 5, 0, 8, 3, 9, 4, 11, 6. So dear students, we'll now start drawing our coordinates here. I have taken just first quadrant. Why? Because these points are positive. So I will draw on the first quadrant. This is x-axis, this is x dash, here y, and here gonna be y dash. This is origin. So x values are up to 11. So I'll take up to 11 here. I can take one unit as a 2. 1, 2, 3. So this is 11, and you can go up to 12. Here on x-axis 1 centimeter I have taken 2 units. You can take 1 also. On the y we have to go up to 6. So here this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now first point is 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 will lie on the x-axis. So here this point I will highlight and I'll write on 5 comma 0. Next point is 8 comma 3. So 8 here and 3 will be here. This is comma 8 comma 3, and then we have 9 comma 4. So 9 will be here and this is a 4. Next point is 11 comma 6. Friends, 11 is here and we have a 6 here. So now 1 2 3 4 points I have highlighted here. Now take a scale and join these points. You will get a straight line. So this is our graph ready for these y is equal to x minus 5. This is gonna be graph. Now friends, we will draw one more graph. Y is equal to 2x. We have y is equal to 2x. So our x value is 1, 3, 6. So y will obtain by multiplying 2 with this x. So here 2. So here 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. In this way we'll get our values by keeping this relationship. Now we'll take, again these points are positive, we'll take on this first quadrant only. I will draw here x 1, 3, 6. So I can go up to here. This is origin. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this I can take. This is x, x dash. On y-axis I need to go up to 12. I can take 2 stable here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is y dash. And here on x-axis I have taken 1 centimeter, 1 unit. And on y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter, 2 units. So now first point is 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2, 1 is here, 2 is here. This is 1 comma 2. Then 3 comma 6. 3 is here, 6 is gonna be here. 3 comma 6. Then 6 comma 12. 6. So 3 points I have highlighted. Now take a scale and join these points. So this graph is ready for these values of x and y. I have taken first quadrant here because these my x and y coordinates are positives. Now children will draw one more graph. Here we have a y is equal to 2x minus 3. So y is equal to 2x minus 3. Our first x is 0. So we'll put a 0 here. 2 zeros are 0 minus 3 minus 3. So first point is minus 3. We'll solve for the second. 2 into, now 3 is there. So we'll get a 3 here. Next we have 4. So 2x minus 4. Now keep x value 4. We'll get a 4 here. Now last value is 2x. Sorry. It is 2x minus 3. So 2 into this 4 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 friends here. 5. And the last is 2x minus 3. This equation will keep x. 10 minus 3 will get us 7. So our coordinates are ready now. We'll plot them here. If you see one is negative, so we need to get up quadrants here. I will take on x-axis up to 5. 1, 2, 3. This is 4 and this 5. This is 0. Here I will take a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. On y I need to go up to 7. So here I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7. Here also I'll take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is x-axis x dash, this is y, and y dash. On both unit we have taken 1 centimeter, 1 unit. Now we'll first plot 0, minus 3. So x is 0 and it is minus 3, means it will lie here, 0, minus 3. Second point is 3, 3. In the first quadrant it will be here. 4, 5. Here is 4 friends and this is 5. And 5, 7. So 5 and the 7 will lie here. Now just take a scale and join these 4 points. So this will be your graph for this